get ready. Bus. No. Oh, hey guys. What a burn here. And I have a creation of Lego that I got from, my different username is the Kolibri pistol. It was made during, I think, World War One. That's in Battlefield 1, Uno. And you see I'm playing, I'm playing Roblox. Yeah. But this, sorry if you can't see my whole face. This is the Kolibri pistol I got from my different username. It has a spring for the mechanism of the trigger. I got this from my different username. You should go subscribe to them. Or I need to learn how to put stuff in the description, so so you guys can go to his channel, and yeah, so you guys can go to his channel and subscribe to him. But you should just search it up. He's a really good Lego builder, and this is the magazine. Oh yeah, sorry about not making a Christmas video. Because I got tired. I don't want to make a YouTube video. So, yeah. Maybe in an earlier video, whenever I might show you how to make this. Is like really small thingamajigger. Now, like in my different username, this side is like it's more up than this one. Because there's like a piece. See if I can find it. Wait, let me turn off my camera for a little bit. Alright guys, besides the Kolibri pistol, I have this guy. If you can know who this is, you know what I'm doing? My name is Jeffy. I know it's backwards, I think. So yeah, it's backwards. My camera shows everything backwards, I think. Yeah, but wait, this pencil's right here. It's on the right side. Right now it's on the left side. So for you, that would be your right. So I think everything is backwards. But yeah, subscribe to SML, Super Mario Logan. He makes puppet. He doesn't make puppets. He makes videos Bowser Jr., Mario, and Jeffy, which is this guy's name. He doesn't like to be called bad boy, just like so you can make sure. Hey, my name is Jeffy. See, there's on my shirt, Jeffy. Want to see my pencil? Where my pencil go? Thanks. Come on, Jeffy. Well, that's enough of Jeffy. I mean, I am still good about everything. Well, I'll see you little, I don't know, people. I don't know. In the comments below of this video. Sorry, I got mixed up. The comments of this video, what do you want me to call you guys? Like poopers or Burtons or something? I don't know. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.